I'm going to briefly explain how we did it. It didn't work initially. That didn't work. Heater control information didn't show. You scroll down like this. We have 2011 Buick LaCrosse customer purchase on Android radio. He put it in himself. He could not make it work. Doesn't light up, doesn't do anything. So we're gonna find out why it's not working right. Okay, the first step we're gonna do is remove this wood grain panel and just slide it down. And now, actually, we can just pry this center dash out. Just carefully pry that out. Now, original factory bezel. This is an aftermarket bezel. Original one has the plug. This plug you're gonna have to remove. Now, customer put partially in, then he gave up. As you can see, there's no harness or no nothing here other than the antenna he put on. It comes with all the harnesses in this bag. So as you can see, it comes with a T-harness. This black box is a CAN bus that actually detects the cost settings, enable backup cam, the steering wheel control and all that. And some RCAs, microphones. So we are also installing a backup cam because the factory one didn't come with it. So we're going to install that as well. So after you get the face off, we're going to remove this. There are 7 mils, one here, one here, one here, one there. They only put 2 screws there. We're going to remove that. So remove 4 7 mils. In this case, we're only going to remove 2 because he got the other one out. And you pull that main unit out. So once you have it out, you're going to disconnect the main harness, antenna, and all that. Okay. Now we're going to use this harness and the CAN bus module that plugs into this long white plug. Plug that in. We're putting the main harness on the top section because that's where the radio monitor gets mounted. So we're gonna bring that up like that. So we're connecting that main harness up there and little display unit right there. And let's plug that monitor and see if it comes on. We're just going to temporarily connect the main harness to see if it comes on.
You plug it in?
So I plug that in. It shows that door open, which is good. Let's close that. Alright, so it shows the detection of the door. Let's see, where is the radio? That's the radio. Oh, we don't have an antenna. Alright, so radio works. What's this?
Sound cool.
Where's the rest of it? How do I get rid of this thing? Let's see. So audio works. See if it goes to reverse. Doesn't go into reverse. Alright, so we're gonna have to set that up. Alright, so I plugged in the RCA for the backup cam, the USB, and these are the rest of it, audio, video, in and out. Okay, the first step we're going to do is you scroll down like this. It gives you Wi-Fi. You press that, connect the hotspot from your cell phone. The reason we are doing Wi-Fi connection first is because we want to update the firmware. So you go to settings.
Okay.
Go to factory maybe. So code is 8888. Most Android radio code is 8888. And you scroll down and you're going to select the vehicle. So first you're going to hit update. So once it update, firmware will be updated so we can see what car it is. Takes a couple of minutes. Now it goes back in.
Okay.
But still doesn't work. Then we're gonna select the vehicle.
Campus. Which campus?
So first you're gonna have to find out the brand name of the brown box, the canvas box.
This is Racer.
Okay. So under here, it's
Buick.
it's gonna be Buick, GM, and LaCrosse. Let's try low. Okay, download again. It's being downloaded. So I don't know whether it's a high or low. So I'm gonna try low first, and we're gonna do high after that if that doesn't work out. Hit OK. Let's try this. Oh wait, it's still downloading. You may have to reboot this one. So we updated it. Let's see. Still updating. This will turn the radio on and off when it's on as it's updating the firmware. Loading. So this loaded. Let's see. Okay. Alright, this is just a display. You gotta use the control from here. So it does work. When you do this, the volume up and down, that works. Before it wasn't working. Let's try the reverse. Now it goes into reverse. Of course it's gonna have no video because we don't have a backup cam yet. So we got the heater control show on the top. We made a volume up and down work. That's fine.
Open does it?
Audio still works. So all functions are working once we update the firmware. So we did a backup cam here. Put the wire. Remove this panel underneath. Go there. Run it up front. I didn't show you this part because the module that we put in that enables the backup cam input. So just basically mount it on the license plate right above. Run the cable down here, run it up front. Alright, let's put it in reverse. Works. That's our garage door. So in order to use Carplay or Android Auto, you have to pair your cell phone Bluetooth. Where the hell is the menu?
In the scene.
Where?
The cycle.
This one? Oh. So where is the Android? Where is it? Maybe this one doesn't have an Android. Alright, so the app for the CarPlay is a Think 5. So you pair your Bluetooth, you go there, say, actually, what is this?
Salam Alenga.
So in order to control the volume, you gotta either use this or use the volume up and down here, not from here.